we asked ourselves, how does Allianz Global Investors sound? How do we express the entire essence of our brand with just a few seconds of audio? And we found our answer. We came up with a melody that follows a continuous upward movement to express an active and dynamic feeling of growth. It's uncluttered, clear, and memorable. It's also a melody that is globally flexible. It uses the pentatonic scale, a harmonic system used in the music from cultures on every continent. The chords generate a feeling of innovation and growth. And to add both human and innovative characteristics, we use a unique combination of instruments that bring a modern interpretation of classical elements. It builds trust while still sounding progressive. Finally, a strong percussive pulse emphasizes the feeling of activation, grabs attention, and increases the recognition value of the sound logo. The sound of activeness. This is the sound of Allianz Global Investors. The sound logo was developed with the feedback and support of our colleagues and was tested using market research as well as Veritonic's artificial intelligence. The research results clearly show that the sound logo is unique and memorable and will easily be associated with the attributes we aim to express for years to come.